Hi everyone, I welcome you to the presentation of this video, Engineering Science, Force Resolution. So force resolution, this presentation talks about Lami's theorem. So by definition, Lami's theorem states that when three forces are acting at a point in equilibrium, then each force is proportional to the sine of the angle between the other two forces. For example, when you have these, so these are the forces, force A, force B, and force C. The angle adjacent to it is force A, the angle adjacent to that one is force C, this one adjacent to that force is angle B, like that. So these are governed by that equation. So Lami's rule governs that. So with that said, let's look at an example. For the situation shown below, find the values of Ft1 and Ft2 if the object's weight is 600 Newton. So this is the thing there. So we have the force, which is rated Ft1, and the force Ft2, even this one, 600 Newton. These are the forces. The angle which has been given is that one. So for us to calculate this, we're supposed to find these angles, that angle, and that angle. So I recommend that you're supposed to revisit your angles for you to come up with this. So in coming up with the angles, just protrude this line like that. You realize that this angle and that angle there, they are the same. So the angle there is 50 degrees. What else can we see? We can see that the angle there is 90 degrees. That's a right angle. We also know that the other one there is also 90 degrees. That's a right angle. Then this one here is a straight line. When we remove the 50 degrees, we are able to calculate the remaining angle there, which is 130 degrees. So if we have this, we can easily come up with that now, which is this one, with the forces Ft1, Ft2, and the weight itself, which is 600 Newton, and the angles. We have the angle which is 130 degrees there. We have the angle 90 degrees, but the angle here is an addition of two angles, the 90 degrees and the 50 degrees. So the angle there is giving us 140 degrees. So with this, we can do our Lami's theorem by saying the force here divided by the sine of the angle opposite there, which is this one there. The force Ft2, sine of the angle opposite, which is 90 degrees. The force 600 opposite sine of the angle opposite is that one there. Then this can be split now. So you can get this and that. Then we can solve for Ft2. If we do that, you realize that the force Ft1 is basically 503 newtons. And if you get this combination, this one and this one there, which is that one there, you solve for Ft2. Here we're solving for Ft1. Here if you solve for Ft2, you realize that our Ft2 is going to be 783 newtons. This marks the end of my presentation. Thanks for watching.